the best state to start a business? You know, I always tell you the best state to start a business is the state where you live. Let's just start there. But for today's video, let's just say you're ready to do interstate commerce. There are a few states that should really stand out more than others when it comes to doing business. And in this video, I am going to give you the top 5 states to open a business, and I am going to tell you why those states are your best option. So you absolutely need to listen. But before we jump in, you already know, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. Now, let's get after it. When I think about where's the best states to do business, I think about 5 things that you really need to consider. The first consideration is the ability to have workers. When you're thinking about setting up a business, you need people to work in that business, especially if your business needs a brick and mortar office. You gotta have people to show up and do work for you. So making sure you have the workers available is really important. The second consideration is infrastructure. Infrastructure is having the roads, having the utilities, having the internet access, the things that we rely on to do business. If you don't have good infrastructure, then your business is not going to be able to grow and continue to go. The third thing to consider is the economy. Is there enough people in a geographical area to actually support my business? For example, if I am opening up a sandwich shop, is there gonna be enough people coming in to get a sandwich? Or are they only gonna come in on a Friday night because that's their one night that they're going out? Making sure you have a good, robust economy is mission critical to the location of your business. The fourth thing to consider is the value of life and health in that particular area. Do people enjoy living there? Is it a great area that is going to support entertainment? Is it going to support people having good health care? If it's a desolate area where there's not a lot of health care, there's not a lot of entertainment, chances are people are not going to come and they're not going to stay in the area. The area is going to be very transient, so you're not going to be able to build a robust business. The fifth consideration is tax incentives. Okay, that's what it's all about, our money in our pockets. So you want to go to a state that is going to give you excellent tax incentives. Now that you know what you need to be looking for, where should you be looking? And it's not going to be the typical California, Florida, Nevada, and all of those states that you probably thought I was going to tell you. One of the number 1 states is North Carolina. Why North Carolina? Because North Carolina has a great pool of workers, people that actually want to show up and do a job. The second state on my list is Virginia. Virginia has great infrastructure. They have the roads. They have the ability to support your business. Tennessee is third on my list. Why? Because Tennessee has great tax incentives. That's important for a lot of businesses, especially if you're going to be making profit. The fourth state is Georgia. Why? Georgia has great quality of life. Maybe not for me, but it's a great quality of life state. And the fifth state that has a great, robust economy is Minnesota. So you heard it here. Those are your 5 states. They are Virginia, Tennessee, Georgia, Minnesota, North Carolina. That is where you want to be if you are going interstate commerce, are looking for a great state to start your business. And once you know better, you absolutely have to do better. That is why I want you to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things tax, business, and wealth building.